Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by recording the portal's exact X and Z coordinates and the Y level so you can recreate linkage. Next, break the obsidian frame but leave any corners if you prefer a quick rebuild. Pick up any dropped blocks. Place portable building blocks and position the new frame where you want the overworld portal to be. Once done, lay obsidian and leave a single block gap for lighting. This prevents accidental nether spawn while you finish repositioning. Light the new portal and immediately step through to force the game to create or find the corresponding nether portal. You must note the nether coordinates. Bedrock uses the same 8:1 ratio but can snap to nearest portal, so inspect, and if necessary, demolish nearby portals to avoid conflicts. If the nether portal spawns offset, move it by rebuilding at the calculated coordinates using X/8 and Z/8 from the overworld. Then test again until stepping through returns you to the intended overworld spot. Finish by deleting the old portal frames in both dimensions that could intercept linking. Once removed, relight the new portal and verify round-trip travel. Make sure to secure the area so passive pathing does not push you through unintentionally, and set a bed or respawn anchor nearby for safety. If something goes wrong, like returning to the wrong spot, recalculate coordinates, remove interfering portals, rebuild precisely at target coordinates, then retest. Repeating this correction fixes most bedrock linking issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.